What seems to be the problem?
It's these hiccups. I've had them for days and they're really starting to hurt.
I can give you a few methods. They should work. They should help you get rid of those hiccups real fast. Here.
Thanks, Doc.
Well?
Another one.
Here, try this.
Can someone bring me sugar?
Bah! That'll work.
I've got it. This is gonna work. Trust me. Okay. I will need the animals. And the food. Okay. Wait. I'm not hiccuping anymore! I'm not hiccuping anymore!
Wow.
I'm not hiccuping anymore! Thank you so much, doctor. You have no idea. Like, this is life-changing. It's been 2 weeks. 2 weeks of constant hiccups.
I know, it's incredible. I've never seen this happen before.
Thank you.
God damn it.
From this angle instead from the other side just to get a different perspective.
Oh, okay. We can make this back.
Just zoomed in on your face.
What's next?
Type something different because now it like auto-completes. Type like how to cure hiccups.
You're like, wait.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna shake your hand.
Okay.
Doing the polite thing. It's human.
You should do like really aggressively. Like, oh my
Sure.
god.
I'll do an MJ. Be like, thank you so much.